Local news for Tuesday, the 12th of May. Manawatu have launched a painting competition for artists and have invited Wairarapa to join in. The prize pool is $3,500, with the exhibition set to be held between the 6th and 29th of July. With the move to Alert Level 2 on Thursday, businesses in Wairarapa are getting ready for what's sure to be a busy time. One hairdresser in Carterton had already rebooked over 650 clients in what's expected to be a full-on few weeks. And the Piranawa School Board of Trustees have appointed a new principal. Eugene Moore will start in Term 3. And finally, property prices have increased in all districts within the Wellington region in April, with Carterton and South Wairarapa seeing strong year-on-year growth. First-home buyers were looking to get a foot on the property ladder last month by taking advantage of record low interest rates and the LVR restrictions. According to the Trade Me Property Price Index, the average asking price in Masterton was up 20.3% to just over $499,000, Carterton up 18.3% to $537,000, and South Wairarapa rose 24.5% to just over $631,000. For local news, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.